everyone, my name is Riya Singh and I am from Renukut Sonbhadra. I would like to share with you all that me along with my peers got placed in Altum Credo Home Finance company. Our journey with PIBM has been full of learning, growth and hard work. Here we got to explore new areas like digital marketing, brand position, market research and so on. Here we have hands-on experience on tools like Google Analytics, Power BI, SQL and HubSpot.
Hello everyone, my name is Paromita Kumar and I am from West Bengal, Durgapur. At PIBM, we have learned and applied marketing concepts like consumer insights, consumer behavior, market research, market segmentation and market analytics. These concepts help us understand how to analyze markets and study consumer needs and develop strategies on business growth.
Hello everyone, I am Ghanshyam Wanaskar from Nagpur, Maharashtra. At PIBM, we have gained the knowledge of credit analysis, risk assessment and underwriting through case studies and practical training session. We have also earned the certification in NISM, mutual fund distributions and Bloomberg market concept, which helps us to enhance our financial skills and analytical skills. These trainings helps us to confidently crack Altum Credo interview and begin our journey.